Greetings everyone. Today I am going to tell you top 6 Figma alternative for UI UX designer. Into my research, let's see the design tools. They are on number 1 Sketch, number 2 UX Pin, number 3 Cider, number 4 Canvas, number 5 Envision, and number 6 Affinity Designer. Let's explore the world, technology, design, lifestyle, knowledge share with Tanvir Al Arabi. Do not forget to like, comments and subscribe.